vulnerable people who are not able to take care of their bills.
The Maralal International Camel Derby concluded Sunday. The derby also ended with 21 kilometers camel race for professional marathoners for both men and women. Samburu CEC for Gender, Culture, Social Services, Evelyn Lentano Said officiated the event, which also featured a traditional Samburu wedding ceremony. Here are the sights and sounds from that colorful event.
So we had several activities, one of it being the camel race in two categories, one for the amateur, that is for the international visitors, the national visitors, and then we have the professional camel race, 21 kilometers, which is for the professionals, and these professionals comes from 3 counties, Marsabit County, Samburu and Isiolo County. So we've just flagged that race, which is going to wind up now. And then we have marathon or athletics, 10 kilometers athletics, men and women, 21 for professionals, men and women. And then we have also the bicycle races.
It's my first time to be in Maralal, and I am happy to have participated in this race. It is my first time, and I am glad to have won the race.
Course ilikuwa hard, ngumu, lakini nimeng'ang'ana tu. Ni Mungu tu.
I think for the past whole year, I think since last race till now, hatujawacha mazoezi. Nimekuwa nikifanya mazoezi for the past 1 year.
This year we ran 38 for 21 kilometers and fat and.
The county government of Kitui plans to